Hi, welcome to my channel again. Today I'll show you some dashboard utilities on MailEnable like diagnostic utilities, tracking messages, service status and various connectors, logs and queues. So let's get started. Now let's run the diagnostic utility. The utility will diagnose the system, and here is the diagnostic report. Diagnostic utility validates the server configuration with testing the system and services, and it shows the test results. Understanding the output here needs little bit of knowledge on the system. That's why I didn't show you the utility at the beginning of this course. After showing you so many settings on various functionalities on the system, hope now you can understand the output and is there any change needed on the configuration. Here you can see that it shows the system service test. The SMTP connector is stopped. That's why the status it shows the fail. Now if you see on the SMTP connector, the service is stopped. Now let's start the service, and if you go on the diagnostic utility again and run the diagnostic report again, if we check again system service test SMTP connector, now it shows the test response success and status is pass. So the diagnostic report shows so many information: version information, configuration data and test, application environment, system service test, abuse prevention, the outbound inbound queues, host TCP/IP settings. This is the DNS address, this is the domain name, and it shows the default SPF domain SPF is not set. That's why it shows the warning. So in this way it shows the SMTP server configuration and lots of data. So we can check, is there any configuration needed here? Then we can configure the system accordingly. Next, on the tracking message, we can track any message. Here it shows the date first. Let's say from sender Anthony @ Optimus search. Here it shows the to record. So this is from checking the sender. We can check also with the recipient. Now if we click the mail, then we can show the transaction or the detail log. Here it shows the complete SMTP dialog. We can track a complete message from here, and the trace message also, the status of message ID and how the message routed inside the system. So we can find the detailed tracking information here. Next, on the service status, we can see that the services are running. We have very few services here on the standard editions. If you use enterprise edition, we will see a lot more services than these. From here we can start, stop and restart any service. Next, on the service and connectors, these are the connectors: list server, post office, SMTP, and these are services with the gear icon. We can configure various settings applicable on the connectors and service. If you right click to any connector, then we will see its configurable properties. I already show you various settings on the SMTP, and we can also configure various service from here. Each connectors has log and queue underneath. Here is 3 type of log. Some list shows 2 type of log, activity and debug, and some shows 3 type of log. W3C logging is used to record the service uses. Activity logging is used to record the system activity, and debug logging is used to provide low level information on the system. If I show you the activity log, here you can see the per transactions activity, and on the debug log you will find more information: each step performed by the server, its protocol and the service configuration and checking and everything you will find on the debug log. And on the W3C log you will find the service usage statistics, and during email transaction each connector can show the runtime activity on the inbound and outbound queue. I have already shown you how to work with the connectors, and on the upcoming videos I will show you how to configure these services and work with its logs. So this is it for today. Thank you for being with me, and if you still didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. It will encourage me a lot to create more videos for you. So thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.